Hey y'all, don't forget your ceiling fans, and here is why. Do you see the before pics? Now let's see what's really hiding in your ceiling fans. This home was part of a move out cleaning, and the fans hadn't been touched in quite some time. Did you know that every time you turn on your ceiling fans, those dust particles are pushed right back into the air that you breathe? That's crazy. So the first step is removing all that heavy buildup before going into details with cleaning this ceiling fan. Now I know you've seen all that dust that came off of one ceiling fan. There is so much dust on this broom, I can't even hold it with my clumsy self. Now that I got all the dust buildup from the broom, now to take out my favorite product, the microfiber fan duster. The microfiber fan duster, it helps me trap the dust instead of just pushing it around, making it easier for me to give it that deeper clean. So if you like cleaning your own home, it's definitely a tool I'd recommend you add it to your collection. Here at Heaven Sent Cleaning Services, we believe that the little details make the biggest difference. A clean home isn't just about what you can see, it's about creating a healthier environment for you and your family. Every fan, every corner, every detail matters. Let us help bring your home back to life, one clean at a time. Bye-bye, my little angels.